In this video, we'll get a quick overview of the annotation tools available in MAPOG. To begin, open your map and go to the Annotation section. Here you'll find a complete set of tools that help you draw, label, visualize, and enhance your maps. You can use tools like Hand and Select to manage annotations, Line, Freehand, Polygon, Circle, and Rectangle for drawing custom features, and Text, Icons, Images, and Shape with Label to add information and improve visualization. MAPOG also provides advanced tools like Root, 3D Boundary, 3D Building, Geotagged Media, and 3D Model for creating realistic and interactive maps. For environmental analysis, tools like AQI, wind and pressure, and environment help you visualize live weather and atmospheric conditions. Finally, Import and Export GeoJSON allow you to easily transfer annotations between projects and other GIS platforms. Now, let's explore each tool one by one.